All right, so I got everything set up. Pretty ridiculous rig with the paper plates and the tape holding the catch tray together. But I want to save as much of this Fordite as possible, especially when turning, because when turning you get the prettiest shavings. Drilling and turning, you get the nicest, big, thick, luscious. Look at that. Look at those buttes. So my plan for this, the shavings at least, is to cast them in a see-through acrylic and make a pen blank solely out of see-through acrylic and Fordite shavings. So that's why I'm so picky on saving the big juicy shavings. So I will zoom in here. So basically, I'm going to go up with my Easy Wood tool and then just true it up, get everything nice and round and concentric. And then I made some of these super scary prison shank looking parting tools. They're actually super sharp and they're actually really nice. They're out of tool steel. They're a lot better for finer cuts than my regular parting tool, which is way over here. That's pretty thick. These are, I think the thickest one is like a 1/16 of an inch, which is about half that. So I'm going to do it in a time lapse again, show you the process. Just going to square them up and make sure everything's square. I have my G10 spacers, so I'm going to make sure everything's flat and level, and then go from there. All right, so I got all these marked out. I'm not going to use this middle just because it's a bar conclusion. So got these marked out. This piece is going to be for the 10.5 millimeter, and then these two pieces are for the 12.5. The reason I chose that is because this one has a little bit more figure in it, and you're going to see the 10.5 more because that's the part you grip, and the 12.5 is the one that is under the pocket clip. So I chose that. You got a little spalting in there. Hopefully that will show through on the final product. This bar conclusion, I might make like a bead or something out of that because it doesn't look like it goes all the way through. I'm going to guess it goes kind of like that at a 45. And if it is stabilized, it will be nice and strong. But I'll cut this up on the scroll saw. I'll drill these. I left them a little bit longer than need be. As you can see there, I left them, about 1/8 of an inch longer. That is for blowout when I drill, if I ever get any blowout. And that is for wiggle room when I sand it on my belt sander over there and square it up and make sure it's square with the the G10, just like how the G10 is to the Fordite, so it will be nice and square and everything. I won't film that purely because I film on my phone, and my phone is dying right now, and I really am in the mood to get this done. So you've seen me drill pieces of wood before, so it's no different. I'll catch you guys when I come back. Thanks.